Hi guys, welcome to Home Cooking underscore Shady. What are we doing today? We are baking bread. It is very easy. All the ingredients I'm going to use, I'm going to put them down in the description. You can check. Yes, I'm baking bread today. I have friends that normally bake her bread by herself. She doesn't buy. Yeah, she doesn't buy it. She bakes her bread. But for me, I do that once in a while, not every time. Yes, because I believe it's like time consuming, but actually it's healthy to have to bake your own bread by yourself. Yes, because you know what you put in. Yes, and it's very easy to bake. Yes, very easy. And in this video I'm using more all multi-purpose flour. Yes, all multi-purpose flour. So it is very easy. Please kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Just follow all the steps I in this video and see the outcome. It actually came out nice. Yes, it actually came out nice. I love it. Please guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your like, your share keep me going. Yes, it actually keep me going. So as you can see, wow, our dough is ready. Yes, ready to cut. So we put them in the baking pan. Yes, I'm sectioning the dough here, sectioning it. Please guys, I love you guys. Comment on my page, like, subscribe, please. Thank you guys. Please, thank you for staying tuned and watching the video to the end. Thank you. Bye.